I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Search and select an action Thrive Automator. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the Thrive Automator dashboard. Create the first automation. Choose a trigger incoming webhooks. Copy the webhook URL and click on the Listen to fetch the URL. Then go back to your integration site and paste it. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload Application/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Thrive Automator site and here you can see that the data fetched successfully. Done. Click on the plus icon and add an action. Email. Add user in autoresponder. You can select the action you desire. I choose MailerLite. Choose a list. Done. Save and finish it. Set the status as active. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to MailerLite dashboard. After successfully sending the data via Uncanny Automator, you can see it in MailerLite. Thanks for watching.